Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, we're taking a close look at USDJPY, combining recent news with technical analysis to help you navigate the market on May 27, 2025. We'll start by digesting the latest headlines and then dive into the charts to identify potential trading opportunities. Recent Google searches show that USDJPY is experiencing volatile moves, driven by factors like easing trade tensions and comments from the Bank of Japan about reducing bond issuance. According to Market Pulse, the yen is under pressure due to these comments, making Japanese assets less attractive. We'll see how this correlates with the chart data. Let's switch to the daily chart. We can see a lot of choppy price action over the last few months. We've seen a steady climb followed by significant pullbacks, which is a sign of high volatility. Notice the long downward trend starting in early February 2025, showing a significant period of yen strength against the dollar. But now the pair seems to be showing signs of consolidation around the 142 to 143 level. Zooming in on the last few weeks, the daily candles show indecision with many small-bodied candles and long wicks indicating a battle between buyers and sellers. The news about the Bank of Japan potentially reducing bond issuances could be contributing to the yen's weakness, which in turn has been counteracted by investors selling USD as strategists at Bank of America have observed. Now let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a shorter-term view of the recent volatility. We can see more detail of this choppy price action. This suggests a lack of clear direction, with the price fluctuating within a relatively tight range. On this 1-hour chart, we see price action has been tightly constrained between 142 and 143 for the past few days. If we see a breakout above 143.1, that could signal bullish continuation. Conversely, a break below 142 could lead to further downside. Let's narrow down on the 15-minute chart for the most recent price action. Looking at the 15-minute chart, the most recent candle suggests that USDJPY has been bouncing between 142.75 and 143, hinting at some indecision. If the price maintains above 143, look for continued bullish momentum. If it fails to hold that level and slides below 142.5, we could see a bearish continuation. Keep an eye on upcoming U.S. economic data releases. Good numbers for the U.S. economy will likely push the dollar higher. Conversely, weak figures will apply downward pressure. To recap, watch for a breakout above 143.1, which could indicate bullish momentum. Otherwise, a break below 142.5 could lead to more downside. Right now, with the current consolidation, I'd give a 50% chance of it staying in the same trading range and 25% each to it breaking upwards or downwards. The likelihood of these depends on how the economic data releases coming up and how the Bank of Japan responds to these developments. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts. Happy trading!